Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today we bring you a video on simple chicken karai. This is the simple and the easiest way to make quick chicken karai. So let's begin. The ingredients here are also very basic. Here I have taken oil in a pan and some onions and tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, chicken and some spices. I have added chopped onions to the oil and will let them fry. And here the onions are golden brown. Now I'm adding the tomatoes and will saute the tomatoes for 5 to 10 minutes until some oil gets released. We can also add some salt and ginger garlic paste at this stage, or chopped ginger and garlic. Sauteing the tomatoes for about 10 minutes. Here I am adding the chicken and now just stir fry it or shallow fry it for about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. And then stirring it lightly on a medium flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. And here I am adding about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and also 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the amount of salt according to your taste. And now I will simmer the gas to low flame and just cover it for a while, almost 10 minutes. And here water is getting released. I'm covering it again for 2-3 minutes, and now I'm going to add the powdered spices: red chili powder, turmeric powder, chicken masala and some other spices. You can add the spices of your choice and taste. Here some water has been absorbed, and now I'm adding the spices and mixing everything together. Now we are almost done, and we just have to add water. You can add the amount of water like how you want the gravy to be. If you want it to be more in amount and thinner, you can add more water, but if you want it to be slightly thicker, then add little amount of water. And also let it cook for about 5 minutes more. You can add some green chilies, coriander or anything else for garnishing. Here I am adding the green chilies, covering it for the last 2-3 minutes, and the chicken karai is ready. Now I'm going to dish it out, and we are going to enjoy it with rice and also some salad. So guys, hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Take a very good care of yourself, and thank you.